Oh shit, that is messy, girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is out and in a bun. In today's video, I'm showing how I take my hair from dry, crunchy to a nice, hydrated, moisturized, juicy, curly, gorgeous bun. So yeah, before I keep you any longer, let's jump right into it. I've got my mirror here, by the way, so if you see me turn, I'm looking at my mirror. I also do need to wash my hair in a couple of days, so this is like a pre-wash day thing. My hair is so dry, it's literally bone dry. Whenever I touch my edges, it's all like crinkly, and I need to fix that. Okay, so today we're using a bunch of products that you have definitely seen on this channel a couple of times. I'm trying to also get more into my hair videos, so comment down below if there are any hair videos you want to see, product recommendations, anything like that, let me know. So anyway, today we're going to be using 3 products. I'm just kind of making this whole thing up on the fly right now because yeah, my hair is dry. So I'm going to use the Blue Magic Tea Tree Leave-In Conditioner, the Talia Wajid Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut Leave-In Conditioner, and then the ORS Rice Water Infusion Leave-In Conditioner as well. You notice everything is a leave-in conditioner because my hair is so freaking dry, and yeah, I need it. So as you can see also, my hair is in my braids. I will have my braiding video linked down below so you can see how I got my hair in these braids, and I will wear my hair in these braids for, is that my spider's web? I'll wear my hair in these braids for like 2 weeks, and then I will take my hair out for wash day, and then I will wash my hair, and then the braids go back in. I have no idea how to cane row, so these are a mix between a French braid and a Dutch braid, which I learned to do over 10 years ago. Also crazy that 10 years ago I was relaxing my hair. I just realized that I'm coming up on the 10-year anniversary of me no longer relaxing my hair. It was 2015 that I went natural, so probably about 10 years ago I was relaxing my hair, probably for the last time. But anyway, let's take these out. Look how curly this hair is. Curly girl, curly girl. Okay, first lot is out. Oh my god, filming standing up is honestly such a vibe. Okay, so half of my hair is out and done. Nice. My hair is so dry. I'm also not going to be doing too much in terms of detangling or anything like that. I actually do detangle my hair when I take it out, but because of the nature of today, I'm not going to really do too much detangling, so I just want to get up and out. Okay, let's get these out. Okay, so now this is where, oh, let's call my earring. But now this is where the fun comes in. So let's get into moisturizing this hair because this hair is so freaking dry. So we're gonna start with the ORS Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner. This is a super silkening leave-in conditioner which is infused with rice water and electrolytes. I think I need to get another one of these. Or do I have another one of these? I just had to check my hair cupboard because I need to get another one of these. I'm gonna do like a massive dollop. When it comes to hair care, we are never frugal. I guarantee you that give my hair like 5 minutes and it is gonna flourish. Trust. Oh, up in there. Focus on the ends. When I took out my braids last December, I think, my edges were a complete state. So I'm happy that they are coming back in nicely. My hair, as we can see, is already divided into from my braids. So I'm going to take advantage of that. Now I'm going to take my Blue Magic Deep Conditioner. Now remember guys, I'm making this up on the fly. I think I do my best work when I just make it up on the fly. So I've got my conditioner. This is nearly finished, but I did buy another one a couple of weeks ago. I'm never without this. It's going to take a hand dollop, massage it in the hand, coat half of my hair, and I'm really going to focus on the mid-length to ends, and then do a nice like scalp massage. See, already that feels so good. And this is what the hair up close. I feel like I need to cut my hair. I find I was talking to my mum about my hair a while ago, and I was saying I just wanted to chop my hair off, and she was like, no, don't do it. But sometimes I see my hair and I'm like, do you know what? I could cut my hair off. I think I could probably do with a trim. Also, it's so funny because I wear a wig like 80% of the time. I do just randomly find myself just chopping off huge chunks of my hair. Because I'm just like, it doesn't matter anyway. But we can see the difference in the hair. So this looks healthy, it's more soft, the curls have come in, whereas this side looks quite dry and a bit lifeless. You can see how this is like puffing up. I'm gonna take the same, that's a bit less than we took before. Oh shit, that is messy, girl. And then we're gonna dollop onto this side. Again, focus on the ends. My hair feels so nice already. Not done too much to it. Nice. Oh, bits. That looks gorgeous. This time I'm going to take a medium-sized dollop, if you can call it that. It's Beyonce song stuck in my head. Hair like dribble, bumping up. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. Oh, gorgeous. Look how big and beautiful it is. We're not done yet. This next bit is going to be a bit tricky because my hands are wet. So next I'm going to use the Tallulah Jade Green Apple and Aloe with coconut. But I can't even get this thing off. Use my shorts, leave-in conditioner, and spray this all over the place. This probably isn't even that useful because my hair is already so wet with other stuff. Oh, that's absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Nice. To be fair, I think I could have done this whole thing using just this Blue Magic leave-in conditioner, but I wanted to be a bit extra. I'm feeling some dry patches on my scalp, so I'm just gonna go in with the Blue Magic. Get the scalp together. Okay. Ooh, I am sweating so much. I really feel like doing your hair is a literal workout. It's crazy. So now that my hair is like this, I'm gonna tie it up. I love to use a scrunchie. I think we use this green scrunchie. So now it's time to tie up the hair, and my hair feels so good. Freaking love it. So how I like to tie up my hair is in sections. I think that just makes it a lot easier and you get a cleaner, slick back bun. So I'm gonna just keep the hand super flat, really swoop that up, and then the same with this side. I do have a middle part, but I don't want to show my middle part. As you go up, you like slowly take up a bit more hair. The key here is going slowly, because if you go too fast, ooh, it's got a knot. So if you go too fast, you're gonna end up with lumps. And as you go slowly, you can see where to like smooth it out. I am sweating. Ludicrous. Okay, so now I'm quite happy with the state of that. As you can see, I'm just like going over again with my hand just to make sure that everything is nice and together. Now you really want to make sure that your ends are tucked into the scrunchie inside the hairband. That'll just protect your ends from catching on clothing, bags, which increases your likelihood of split ends. Also, the way that I tie my hair is I don't pull my hair fully out of the hairband. I kind of keep some hair in the hairband and then tie my hairband around my hair, which is how I end up with these very interesting knots, because you can see part of the hairband. Ooh. I am not a perfectionist. I'm probably the least perfectionist person ever, but if you are a perfectionist, you can go over this with hair gel, mousse, slick it back, whatever. You can put in some hairpins if your hair is a bit lumpy. If your hair is on the shorter side and you put it up in a bun, you might find that you need hair slides just to make sure that everything is super flat. So definitely go in with some hair slides if you want. Today, my hair, as you can see, I'm not using any gel. Like I said, I'm not a perfectionist at all. So you can see I do have just my hair sticking out, just like my hair's natural, normal. But I just want to keep my hair like this because I don't care, basically. But if you feel like you want a bit more of a look, gel those babies down. One last thing, the sun keeps going in and out. One last thing, I'm going to spray my hair using the Apophagy Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray. This has UV protectant. I am about to go out for a walk for about an hour and it is really sunny. So I'm just going to spray my hair using this just to protect my hair from UV. This is how I put my hair in a bun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have everything that I used down below in my description box, so make sure you check that in case you want any more information. As always, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.